Hello and welcome back to In the Kitchen with Matt. I am your host, Matt Taylor. Today, I'm going to show you how to make vanilla cupcakes. Yummy. I love me some cupcakes. I had a request to make vanilla cupcakes, so here we go. That's what we're going to do. They're really easy to make. If I can make them, you can make them. Let's get baking. All right, first let's go ahead and preheat our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 176 Celsius. Down below in the description, I will have the list of ingredients and all the amounts. All right, so what we're gonna do first is we're gonna take our butter that we have softened and we're gonna add our sugar. And then with a hand mixer or wooden spoon or fork, let's go ahead and cream this together. Scrape down the sides. All right, now what we want to do is we're going to add in our eggs, our vanilla extract, our salt, our baking powder, and let's go ahead and cream this together. And then one time in between, give the sides a good scrape. All right, looking good. Now at this point, what I want to do is I'm going to add my milk and my flour, but I don't want to add it all at once. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add maybe a third of my milk, a third of my flour, and so on until everything is all mixed. And then at this point, I am gonna scrape the sides. And then add in the rest of our milk and the rest of the flour. And scrape the sides one last time. The batter is ready to go. Now let's just clean off the beaters. Now we wanna fill up our paper cups. Now you can fill these up however you like. You can put the batter in a big piping bag, or you can just grab a big spoon and just fill them up this way. It's totally up to you. Just try to get the same amount in each one. All right, and once you have them all, roughly 2/3 of the way full, somewhere around there, they are ready to be baked. So go ahead and put them in the oven, middle rack, again, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 176 Celsius. And bake them for 15 to 20 minutes until when you poke them with a toothpick, they come out clean. All right, when they come out of the oven, they will look something like this. There'll be probably a light golden brown edge around them. So I'm gonna let them cool in the pan for a couple minutes and then transfer them over to my cookie rack, and then we will frost them. For the frosting, you could buy it if you like, or just make it from scratch. Again, down below, you'll find the amounts for these ingredients. We'll put our milk in here. Now you can use cream or half and half too if you want. I'm using whole milk, vanilla extract. And then now I'm gonna add the powdered sugar, and I'm just gonna add a little bit at a time of this until I get the desired consistency. Don't just drop it all in there. Go ahead and scrape. It is getting there. I'm gonna add just a little bit more powdered sugar. Not quite thick enough. Again, you can make it whatever consistency you want. You could have it be really runny and kind of just fold over your cupcakes, or you can make them more stiff. All right, that's kind of what I want. Also at this point, I'm gonna add a little bit of food coloring. I wanna make these blue, I think. I'm gonna go ahead and add some gel, food gel in there. And then I want to just scrape the sides one last time. All right, perfect. And now what I'm gonna do is I wanna transfer this over to a piping bag, or you can just use a spoon or spatula to frost the tops of these cupcakes. So you just take your piping bag or a plastic bag and put it inside a jar, and it keeps the mouth open. And then we'll go ahead and take our frosting. And we'll put it in there. Nice. And these cupcakes are so good that you could actually leave off the frosting altogether if you want. Make them a little more healthy. And then you just take the bag, twist, and it's ready to go. And then we can just come in here Awesome, yeah, so there you go. Just frost them or decorate them however you like. There you go. This makes about 2 dozen cupcakes. All right, the vanilla cupcakes are done. They turned out amazing. Really easy to do. If I can do it, you can do it. I'm Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you for joining me. As always, if you have any questions or comments, put them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thumbs up, down the corner, push it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Also down below, you'll find links to my other social media accounts as well as my other YouTube channel and the ingredients list with the amounts. Time for me to dive into these. Oh yeah. Take care. Time for me to dive into one of these. Oh yeah. I think I'm gonna grab this one right here with a little bit of blue frosting on it. Oh yeah.